Hi folks, Gary here from WP Butler, Australia's home of WordPress. Now today we're going to take a quick look at another maintenance aspect which is called vetting, and in particular vetting of plugins. If you want to know more about our maintenance service, then head on over to wpbutler.com.au/sitecare and check out our monthly plans where we take care of it all for you. So when you're searching through that what appears to be an endless sea of WordPress plugins to create any given function on your website, you've got a choice. You can either choose a paid or what we call a premium plugin, or you may be tempted to choose one of the free plugins that's available. However, vetting a plugin before installing it could just save you a lot of hassle down the track. So before you install any plugin, run through this little process. First, check out the WordPress plugin page and make sure you have a look at the following things. Number one, how many installs does the plugin actually have? Now, if the plugin has been around for a while and it only has a few installed, then it's generally a sign that something's wrong and there may be issues with the plugin. The advice here is just to keep looking. Number two, does it have good reviews? Take a look at the number of reviews for the plugin and whether it has lots of 5-star ratings or poor reviews. Now have a good read of the reviews, and just because it gets the odd bad one doesn't necessarily mean you should avoid it, but take a closer look. Do you need to pay for support, which is number three? Most paid plugins come with free support as part of the license. Now, just don't expect that a free plugin also comes with free support. Number four, when was the last time the plugin was updated and has it been tested with the latest version of WordPress? And finally, number five, does it have support questions that have been open for months? It's very common for WordPress plugins to suddenly be abandoned by their developer. Now, when this happens, the developer typically stops responding to support requests and stops updating the plugin and fixing security vulnerabilities. And they also stop testing the plugin with the latest version of WordPress. Now, as a rule there, you should keep an eye out for properly maintained plugins that should have plenty of frequent updates and have been tested with the version of WordPress that you're currently on, or the latest version. So no matter how cheap or how good it reads in the brochure, if the plugin has poor reviews or it looks like the developer is no longer maintaining the plugin, please don't install it and look, just keep looking. Also, every few months, audit the plugins installed on your website and make sure the plugin is still being maintained by the developer. Even popular plugins can be abandoned from time to time or sold to different owners. So if you want to make sure your plugins are suitable for the job and to take the hassle out of website maintenance once and for all, you might just want to head on over to wpbutler.com.au/sitecare and check out our monthly plans. I'll catch you next time.